So let me show you a fun thing you can do in your classroom. This is called the straw oboe. I have a straw, I have some scissors. You take the straw, you put it in your mouth, and then you do it like that. No, it's very simple. You take a straw, you put it in your mouth, and you do it like that. You understand?
Yeah.
Good directions. You chew it flat like that. That's what I said. Now when it's flat, you take it out of your mouth, take your scissors, and you cut it so it's like a point, like a Christmas tree. Okay? Yeah? And now, it's got two little flaps on it right there. And if you don't bite down, but you put your mouth over it, you can get them to vibrate, and it's called a straw oboe. I hope. Here we go. Let's try it.
That's a kazoo.
Oh, like a kazoo. Thank you. Now, I got to ask you a question. Ready? What would happen if I cut this, and now I'm going to make the air longer? Show me with your thumb. Make a prediction. If it's longer air, is it going to be higher, the same, or lower? Let's find out. Ready? It's longer. It might be
Lower. Yeah, I know.
So that's kind of like a bear. What would happen if I add another straw?
It's gonna be lower.
You think? Let's see if we can get it the size of an elephant. Elephants are big. So we went from a human to a bear to an elephant. Here we go. Now I'm not biting down. Alrighty. Here we go. I should try a whale. The biggest animal that we have on the planet.
How are you connected?
And it must make a really, wouldn't it be crazy if a whale was going around tweet, tweet, tweet?
Yeah.
But a bird makes that sound. Here we go. See if I can get that in there. Oh, this is going to be so low. How low can you go? As low as a whale.
Can you
Here we go. Show me your thumb. Make a prediction.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. I should try one more thing, but it's kind of dangerous. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Really? It's dangerous for me.
Yeah, do it.
You don't care?
I
All right. If making it long is low, making it short, showing your thumb is going to do what? So if I do this, and I start cutting it, how do you think the sound's going to go?
Lower.
All right, here we go. Ready? You sure you want me to do this?
Yes. I'm wrong every single time.
But I might ruin this handsome face.
Okay.
Okay? But if I go home and my wife says, "What did you do to your face?" I'll be in trouble. You don't care about my wife? Oh, you're in trouble. Right, here we go. Wow. Who said that? I'm going to get you next. Wait a minute. There you go. Ready? Here we go. I don't want to do it. I will do it. I will do it for science. Here we go. Is my mustache still there? Let's go for the world record. Hey, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I add this back to it. Ready? So that is the straw oboe. Thanks.